Welcome to the Rise Above Performance Training. Quick tip of the week. We're on week 5 of our pull-up progressions. We've gone over building our back with our rows. We've gone over grip. We've gone over the C shape, and we've gone over assistance with the bands. Now, another way to build up strength is focusing on the eccentric. The eccentric is controlling the body down with gravity. So when we do a pull-up, we don't want to drop down and just flop back. You're going to be out of alignment. You can also hurt your joints. You can also really focus on slow eccentrics. Just be careful because the time under tension is going to tear up the muscles and make you very sore. So use the reps low and sparingly. You can jump off a box into the top position and then control for a long count coming down. Like I said, do 2 to 5 reps of this for a set or so, and then really build up your strength with that time under tension to help you add more pull-ups down the road. Give it a shot.